slant it to one side, push it up a bit at the back, tilt it to the front, and you have it. Hello ladies, how have you been? So I was out today and I decided to throw the rich aunty vibe. I hope I got it.
So instead, I made myself frightening. I sharpened my wit, my wardrobe, and my eye, and I made myself the most terrifying creature in any room I entered.
So I decided for an adire bubu with ashoke, ishe, and this scarf. Rate me over 10. I took lots of pictures because I got lots of compliments, and my cousin gave me this particular posture like, like, how do you want to take picture and do like this? Well, anyway, you'll be seeing some of the pictures. So when I was getting dressed, I did this scarf. While I thought it was a simple thing, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ladies asking me about the scarf, asking if it's ready-made or if I bought it, and I said no, I just tied it myself. And since I got so much compliments for it, I've decided to do a DIY. So I'll try my possible best to explain step by step. So this is what it looks like. I hope I can do a turnaround. This is what it looks like. I think the general name for this scarf would be Zara scarf. Well, or let me name it after myself, E.B.U.N scarf. But I think we should stick to Zara scarf. So it's a simple, you don't even need knots. So what you need is, I hope, pardon, my makeup. So what you need is 1 yard, 1 full yard of a doll face satin. Some use silk. You need a 1 full yard. Of course, let a tailor take in the edges for you, like sew the edges. And you need a paper. So here you have it. You can use a newspaper, but because I wanted it thick, I had to double mine. Like I think I have 3 papers here. This is what I did. Roll your paper this way. Because it will be thick, you can try to fold it multiple times. Reason you are doing this is so that when you are bending your gele, it doesn't just form an angle like this. So you try to fold it in multiple places, so even if you're bending it, it will give you laxity to bend. The paper is in the middle now. Then what you need to do is turn your scarf around the paper like this. This is how I folded it back. Then you take it, put the center on your head. I hope you're getting it. Put the center on your head. Then this is what you should do. Just simply cross your gilly. So when you have it like this, use your this cheek to hold your scarf like this. Then try to arrange this one. Now I try to tuck it in like this. Make sure it is not wider than the size of your paper. This that you are throwing over this part of the scarf, you can see the width of my paper. Then this one goes like this, right? Then with the other hand, just simply fold in the hand. Tuck this one into the next one that is coming like this. See, you don't need to knot anything, right? This one is already holding the first one that is inside. Then tuck this other hand into the previous one. My mirror is a bit far away, so I have a bit of challenge with this, but I think I've done a good job. Okay, I'm doing this again. I want to really fold it from behind so that it is not too wide. Okay, so this is it. Tuck that one in, put this one over it, and tuck it in here. This scarf, don't go and fall my hand, do. Okay, so yes, we have it. Now there's a little positioning that will just make the difference. Your gele, I see some people place, even when you've gotten the paper kind of Hausa scarf, you just put it way to the back. The way Hausas do their geles is that it comes very close to the eyebrows. So you are going to have to let the tip of an eyebrow go. Yes, so what you do is you raise your gele to one side. It should cover one of your eyebrows. You should not worry because you are not going to be moving your gele. That is where it will be. So this is what it looks like. I'm tucking the back. You got it. Slant it to one side, push it up a bit at the back, tilt it to the front, and you have it. So that's just it. That's a Zara scarf. I hope next time I'm seeing you wanting to throw your rich auntie vibe, you'd have gotten it perfectly. You guys should be paying me for this DIY. I mean I hope you've learned something. Thank you for watching this DIY. Give it a thumbs up. You can share, and if you're watching this video you have not subscribed, are you not treating me like that? Is this playing? Are you playing? And watch out for the new season on the E.B.U.N show. Tell your friends we're about to start. Share the previous videos with your friends so that they know what they're about to get in season 3. I love you. Bye.